Good day everyone. This is Group 10 of Division A. Our group consists of roll numbers from 53 to 58. Our topic for today is the use of MAR and MDR in memory access. Memory access is an important process that involves reading or writing data from or to the memory. And MAR and MDR are two components that are crucial in this process.
Let's start with memory access. This is the process of reading or writing data from or to the memory. To access memory, we need to address the memory location and access the data stored in that location. Memory access is an essential part of any computer system. It allows programs to read and write data, access variables, load program data into registers, and perform other essential tasks.
Now let's talk about MAR, which stands for Memory Address Register. This component holds the memory location of the data to be accessed. The CPU uses the MAR to send the memory address to the memory unit. Once the memory unit receives the memory address, it retrieves the data stored in that location.
MDR, which stands for Memory Data Register, is the component that holds the actual data that is being read or written. The CPU uses the MDR to send data to the memory unit for storage or retrieve data from the memory unit. Once the memory unit receives the data, it stores or retrieves it from the specified memory location. Let's now discuss the read operation of memory. This is the process of reading data from memory. To read data from memory, the CPU sends the memory address of the data to be accessed to the MAR. Once the memory unit receives the memory address, it retrieves the data from the memory location and sends it to the MDR.
The CPU can now read the data from the MDR and use it in the further processing or calculations. Examples of such tasks include accessing variables, reading instructions, loading program data into registers, and more. The read operations of memory is an essential part of any computer system. Without this operation, program would not be able to access the data they need to perform essential tasks.
Now let's talk about the write operation of memory. This is the process of writing data to memory. To write data to memory, the CPU sends the memory address of the data to be written to the MAR. Once the memory unit receives the memory address, it waits for the CPU to send the data to be written to the MDR.
The CPU then sends the data to be written to the MDR. Once the memory unit receives the data, it stores it at the specified memory location. The write operation of the memory is an essential part of any computer system. It allows programs to write variables, store instructions, save program data, and more.
Let's discuss how MAR and MDR are used in memory access. The CPU uses the MAR to address the memory location of the data to be accessed or written. The memory unit then retrieves or stores the data at the location using the MDR. MAR and MDR are important components in memory access.
They allow the CPU to address any memory location and access the data stored at that location. Without them, the CPU would not be able to communicate with the memory unit and access any data. They also provide a fast and efficient way to access data from memory, reducing the time needed to access data and increasing the overall performance of the system.
Now, in conclusion, MAR and MDR are essential components in the memory access process. They enable the CPU to address any memory location and access data stored at that location. The use of MAR and MDR improves the performance of the system by providing a fast and efficient way to access data from memory.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We are Group 10 of FY Division A at VIT Pune. The members of our group are roll number 53 Arya Lurkar, 54 Arya Lokande, 55 Arya Mane, 56 Aryan More, 57 Aryan Mundra, and 58 Aryan Mengavade.
If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you found this video informative, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel.